If you want your children to become financially responsible, have good money skills, and become financially independent adults, you need to start now by holding them accountable for their finances. Hi, my name is Billy Bryson with Bryson Team Real Estate and Home Loans. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Also, if you or anyone you know is considering investing in real estate, making a move, buy, sell, or refinancing, please give me a call at 562-248-6161. Please pass on my number, or you can visit my website at brysonteam.com for free, helpful real estate and loan information. So for children to grow up to be financially responsible adults, they need to have the opportunity at an early age to handle money often. Okay, you need to have discussions with them around budgeting, debt, bank accounts, investing, or saving. The ideal time for children to learn is while they are living at home. You most likely expect your children to clean their room, help with dishes, take out the trash, and do other daily chores. So you may want to give them you probably already give them a weekly allowance for their efforts, but considering offering them opportunity to make extra money by helping you maybe organize the garage, wash the windows, or do another job that goes beyond the normal routine. Teach them very early the benefits and rewards of hard work. A fun grocery store game that takes a little bit of patience is to give your young children a set of amount of cash when you're grocery shopping. Set your expectations before entering the store, such as you expect the child to behave, tell them that the candy is off limits. But once the parameters are established, your child could buy anything that fits into the budget. This gives them the opportunity and you to discuss price and value. Okay. Once he's spent his money, he's done. And if it was not satisfied with the purchase, then remind them that the next time he can make a better choice. Okay. And as your child grows older, these rules should change, right? You can ask him to plan a meal, establish the budget, and then buy the items for the meal. Okay. Create learning opportunities that work within your family dynamics. Every summer before school started, we would spend a day shopping for school wardrobe and necessary supplies. To plan for this day, we identified the budget and we listed the desired items. Then the budget then would be dissected and prioritized to address the items that were necessary versus something that maybe the child just wanted. Again, any rules for what was acceptable or not would be established before we actually left the home. An envelope of cash was earmarked for each child, and the day was spent shuffling between stores, finding the desired items within the budget. We would just break for a nice lunch, and then we'd go back to shopping again. So until the task at hand was completed. So that was just something we did. And you can also take your child to the bank, maybe open a bank account each month after receiving the statement. You can spend a few minutes discussing the information on the document, on the bank statement, show the benefits of compounding interest, whatnot. And when your children are young, speak to them about charitable giving as well. Talk to them about organizations that they might like to support, then earmark a part of their allowance for donations to these causes. Okay. Talk to them when you are volunteering, when they are driving, encourage them to spend some time volunteering on their own. Okay. Don't let your good intentions of providing your children with a good life financially go awry. Take as many opportunities as possible each day to teach your children about money. The skills you teach your children as they're developing, good or bad, will last a lifetime. I really do appreciate you, your support, your repeat business, trust, loyalty, and referrals that you've given me and my family. So I really enjoy paying it forward. I'm happy seeing other people's lives change for the better. So if you have questions about how you would like to gain wealth investing in real estate, or if you'd like to partner with me on one of my next commercial real estate investments, please give me a call or text me direct at 562-248-6161. Be more than happy to take some time to talk to you individually and answer all your questions. Once again, my name is Billy Bryson, Bryson Team Real Estate and Home Loans. And if you or anyone you know is considering investing in real estate, making a move, or refinancing, please give me a call at 562-248-6161. Please pass on my number, or you can visit my website at brysonteam.com for free, helpful real estate and loan information. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Have a great day. Bye-bye.